Today, let us learn something about group discussion. Okay. So, by the name itself, you know what it is. So, this group discussion is one important process in recruitment. Okay. So, what we see in group discussion, why this group discussion is very important. Why you have it in your recruitment process. So, if you just see the answer is they want a kind of a teamwork, and there are few criteria they look at. So as an individual, you have so many different sessions where they can analyze your technical skills and other skills. Whereas group discussion is like the teamwork cannot be analyzed there. So everyone are not a team player. Okay. So in that case, the recruitment process, this group discussion is very important. So GD usually it is called as GD. So group discussion is nothing but a team of members talking about a selected topic. Okay. So the members selection can be in two types. One is student-led and another one is moderator-led. So student-led is nothing but it is if I ask you to form a team by yourself, so you all friends can join as a team and you can make your team. If I select members and if I ask you five to form a team, so that is moderator-led. An instructor will form a team and they will give you topic for selection. So these two are the types of GDs where you can start and like formation. After that, you have topic selection. So if you go for topic selection, in case if they ask you to select topic by yourself, the topic can be selected in different types. The first one is that is the current affairs that you can discuss topic and abstract topic. Another one is controversial topics. Okay, so controversial topics, technical topics, abstract topics. Under that, you can choose anything. Okay, so this topic selection can be in this area, but topic selection should be done by the concern of every member in your team. So what they are familiar with, the majority of the team member, what they are familiar with, you should select the topic in that way. Okay, so selection of your topic. After the selection of topic, to make your team more ease to go with, you can select a team leader. So the selection of team leader will help you in forming the teamwork. So the team leader will keep on instructing you, guiding you, and will also be among you, will participate in everything. So in that case, the teamwork will be easy. So you should be very clear enough with one thing, that this team leader is not a person who will just order someone. Team leader is a part of a team. Okay, so they can decide like on behalf of everyone. Reach each and every one and ask their concern and they will work. So in that case, a team leader will be very helpful to work with. In case if it is not just 5 or 8 or 10, if it is a 20-member team working on a big project, you need a team leader. So the basic responsibility and ability of a team leader is very, very important. So here in the discussion also, team leader plays a lead role. So these are the three basic things that you remember, that you should remember when to get into group discussion. The topic selection, team selection, and team leader, everything. After that, why GD is very important and what they see in GD. So group discussion is not just about how you speak. Okay, communication is a part of ability that they see in each individual, but it is not the only thing that they look for. There are so many other personality traits that every recruiter see in a person. First thing is ability to work in a team. That is the most important thing. Ability to work in a team. Okay. So, what is the ability to work in a team? What is mean by ability to work in a team? You should be a good team player. Okay, so ability to work in a team is to play a good team player. You should be a person who have the team spirit. Okay. The second one is communication skill. So, according to you, what is communication skill?
Communication skill means they should have like they have to they can have nice speech, English speaking skills. If they speak in nice English, it can be considered as communication.
Yes. So communication is that is you have to reach the other person in an understanding manner. So what language we use accordingly, you should be very clear enough. So second one is communication skill, and third one is reasoning ability. So if you see what is this reasoning ability, everyone has this reasoning ability actually. So that is like talking to the point according to the situation that we talk. So reasoning ability is something which just should justify with the topic that we select. It should have a kind of sense in our point that should relate. So reasoning ability is also an important thing. So you cannot like talk out of the topic or irrelevant things or quoting something which is not. Yes. So reasoning ability is one more important thing that everyone should possess. And after that, leadership skill. So you have a team leader in your team. It is not that only the team leader should have the leadership skill. So leadership skill is accountability and responsibility. Okay. So if you are accountable, if you think that you are responsible of your part, so then it is you are thinking about the team. Okay. So leadership is nothing but it is accountability and responsibility. Yes. What is leadership?
Accountability and responsibility.
Yes. So everyone are good leader. If you have the accountability that any work is assigned to you, if you think that you are supposed to submit on the deadline, complete it on time, or those kind of responsibility, then it is your leadership skill. Okay. But next one is they see the initiativeness. Initiative. So what is mean by initiative? It is like you are not sitting simply waiting for somebody to ask you some question. You should be initiator. You should do by yourself. If you have not, you can ask. Or you are going to start your project or discussion, you should have the responsibility to start it. You can just start. The person who first voluntarily do something, initiative. You should not wait for someone. That should be there in everyone. Okay, you should not wait for the time. The time may not come if you keep waiting. So everyone should have the initiative skill. And next one is assertiveness. Okay, assertiveness. So assertiveness is nothing but it is being good to everyone, not hurting somebody, talking politely, kindly. Okay, those things are called as assertiveness. So assertiveness is foremost important, and assertiveness is not just something which you can easily do. You have to practice because at the time of being very stressed, you can like you have to think and practice how you can overcome this. That is there, and then creativity. Okay, you have to do something creative, different, not the thing that everyone does. You should always be creative. You should think to the core. What is it? How it is? Like why this is being doing the same? You can do something different. This is same poems, the same thing, same work, because nothing is new that we are doing. We are doing something new from the existing one. Okay, but what makes it invention or creation? A few changes. That's all. Okay, so that is very very important being an engineering students. Creativity, assertivity, and initiative. And after that, flexibility. Okay, flexibility is one more point we'll see as a T for assessing the group discussion. Flexibility, that is how you are like with the team. How flexible are you? Very stubborn. You stand on your own points, or you mingle with the other person. How you just go with the team. good. Being assertive is, thank you, like treating everyone very respectfully. Okay, so that is assertive skills. So in early days, they used to say that communication skill is one skill which is very very important. With communication, you should be assertive also. My words should not hurt anyone. I should be very assertive. So I should be very careful with the words that I use. I should not hurt anyone at any cost. Even I am at the edge of any critical situation, I am not supposed to use words which are very harsh towards someone. Okay, so these are few things that they see in group discussion. That is why they have it in every placement. Okay, so when you have so many things that you should remember before going for group discussion. So you have non-verbal communication and other things also.